Hey! In this video, I will show you how to create your own memory game in the Interactive Online editor. If you are already registered, open the template gallery and select the memory section. You will see templates that you can use to create your own project. Let's pick the simplest first template. Click Edit to go to the editor. Now this is your project, which you can modify as you want. First, let's name the project. Now click Edit on the game block. A pop-up window with 3 tabs will open. In the first tab, you can customize the playing field. The proportion of the cards. Choose a pack of cards. And also include a cover if needed. In the next tab, you can create cards. Both pictures and text can be used. In our example, a picture of a city and its name are paired. You can include explanations for the found pairs. In the last tab, you can customize the appearance of the final screen. Click Preview to see your game in action. Now you can add additional elements such as a title picture and text. Let's add a title. Now let's publish our project. After publication, you will receive a link to the project and a code for embedding into the site. Done. Now you can create your own memory game.